Hey there, food fans! Today we're going on a delicious adventure to a place where dreams are coated in chocolate and sprinkled with peanuts. That's right, folks, we're going inside a Snickers factory. Buckle up and get ready for a wild ride through the wonderful world of Snickers bars. We'll see how each ingredient, from creamy chocolate to crunchy peanuts, transforms into the iconic candy bar we all know and love. It's a fascinating process that involves massive machinery, precise timing, and a whole lot of love for chocolate and peanuts. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's go! Let's step inside and see the magic happen. First things first, we need our ingredients. The journey of a Snickers bar begins with the careful selection of the finest raw materials. And trust me, Snickers doesn't skimp on quality. Every ingredient is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets our high standards. We start with the star of the show, chocolate. This rich, velvety delight is the foundation of every Snickers bar. Massive sacks of cocoa beans sourced from the finest cocoa farms around the world arrive at the factory. These beans are the heart and soul of our chocolate. These beans are roasted to perfection, releasing their rich aroma and flavor. The roasting process is crucial as it brings out the deep, complex notes of the cocoa. Next up, the peanuts. Mountains of peanuts, carefully selected and roasted to a satisfying crunch, arrive ready to add their signature crunch. Each peanut is chosen for its size and quality, ensuring that every bite of a Snickers bar delivers that perfect crunch. But that's not all. We also need sugar, milk powder, butter, corn syrup, and a few secret ingredients to create the perfect Snickers experience. These ingredients are blended together to form the nougat and caramel layers that make Snickers so irresistible. With our ingredients prepped and ready, it's time to start building a Snickers bar. The process is a symphony of precision and care, with each component coming together in perfect harmony. Let's head to the production line. Here the magic happens. The chocolate is tempered to the perfect consistency, the nougat is whipped to a fluffy texture, and the caramel is cooked to a golden perfection. Each layer is carefully added, creating the iconic Snickers bar we all know and love. Finally, the bars are wrapped and packaged, ready to be shipped to stores around the world. Every Snickers bar is a testament to our commitment to quality and taste. So the next time you enjoy a Snickers bar, remember the journey it took from cocoa bean to delicious treat. It's a journey of passion, precision, and a whole lot of love for chocolate and peanuts. Our first stop is the nougat station. Here, the magic begins with the creation of the nougat base, which is the foundation of our delicious treat. It's a symphony of swirling, mixing, and churning as sugar, milk powder, and other ingredients are carefully combined and whipped into a fluffy, cloud-like nougat. The aroma is intoxicating. The mixture is meticulously monitored to ensure the perfect consistency and texture, which is crucial for the final product. Next, the nougat is spread onto a continuously moving conveyor belt, where it's leveled and cooled to the perfect temperature. This process ensures that the nougat sets properly and maintains its delightful chewiness. The cooling process is essential to lock in the flavors and prepare it for the next layer. Now it's time for the caramel. The caramel is prepared in large vats where sugar is melted and combined with butter and cream to create a rich, golden syrup. A warm river of golden caramel cascades onto the nougat layer, creating a sweet and gooey embrace. The caramel is carefully poured to ensure an even layer, which adds a delightful contrast to the nougat's texture. But the journey's not over yet. The next step is crucial for adding that extra crunch and flavor. It's time for the heart of a Snickers, the peanuts. These peanuts are roasted to perfection, enhancing their natural flavor and adding a satisfying crunch to every bite. A cascade of roasted peanuts rains down onto the caramel, embedding themselves in the gooey goodness. The combination of nougat, caramel, and peanuts creates a symphony of textures and flavors that is simply irresistible. Finally, the entire creation takes a dip in a pool of rich, melted chocolate. This final coating of chocolate envelops the nougat, caramel, and peanuts, sealing in all the flavors and adding a smooth, velvety finish. The chocolate coating is carefully tempered to ensure a glossy finish and a satisfying snap when you bite into it. And there you have it. From nougat to chocolate coating, the journey of creating a Snickers bar is complete. Every single Snickers bar goes through rigorous quality control to ensure each bite is absolute perfection. Expert inspectors examine the bars, checking for the perfect shape, size, and distribution of peanuts. They also take a bite, yes, they get paid to eat Snickers, to ensure the taste, texture, and crunch are up to par. Any bars that don't meet the high standards are whisked away. Only the best of the best make it to the next stage: packaging. Section 5, from factory to store, packaging and shipping Snickers. Now, the perfect Snickers bars are ready for their close-up. They're wrapped in their iconic brown, white, and blue packaging, a design recognized around the world. These individually wrapped bars are then gathered and boxed, ready for their journey to stores near and far. Trucks, trains, and even airplanes transport these boxes of Snickers, ensuring that everyone everywhere has access to their favorite chocolate, peanut, caramel, and nougat treat. Section 6. Fun facts. The story of Snickers and its nutty name. Did you know that the first Snickers bar was made way back in 1930? That's almost a century of satisfying hunger. And the name? It's a funny story. The Mars family, the creators of Snickers, named the bar after their beloved horse, Snickers. And here's another fun fact. Millions of Snickers bars are produced every single day. That's a whole lot of peanuts, caramel, and chocolate. Section 7. The Snickers Journey from Bean to Bar. We've reached the end of our factory tour, and what a journey it's been. From the moment the cocoa beans arrive at the factory, the transformation process begins. These beans are carefully selected and roasted to perfection, ensuring that the rich, deep flavors are brought out. We've seen how each ingredient, from the humble cocoa bean to the crunchy peanut, comes together to create the iconic Snickers bar. The cocoa beans are ground into a fine paste, which forms the base of our delicious chocolate. Then the peanuts are roasted to bring out their natural crunch and flavor. We've witnessed the precision, care, and even a little bit of love that goes into every step of the process. The caramel is cooked to just the right consistency, and the nougat is whipped to perfection. Each layer is meticulously crafted and combined to create the perfect balance of flavors and textures. So, the next time you unwrap a Snickers bar, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to reach your hands. Think about the cocoa farmers who harvested the beans, the factory workers who ensured each ingredient was just right, and the machines that wrapped each bar with care. Think about the dedicated people and amazing machines that worked together to create that perfect bite. Every Snickers bar is a testament to the hard work and dedication of countless individuals, all working together to bring you a moment of joy. What's your favorite thing about a Snickers bar? Is it the way the caramel stretches as you take a bite? Or perhaps the satisfying crunch of the peanuts? Is it the chewy caramel, the crunchy peanuts? Or maybe it's the smooth, creamy chocolate that melts in your mouth, perfectly complementing the other ingredients? Or maybe it's the combination of all the flavors and textures that makes it so irresistible? Each bite is a symphony of flavors, a perfect blend of sweet, salty, and nutty, all wrapped up in a delicious chocolate coating. It's no wonder Snickers has been a favorite for generations. Remember, behind every Snickers bar is a story of dedication, craftsmanship, and passion. From the cocoa farms to the factory floor, every step is a crucial part of the journey. So the next time you enjoy a Snickers bar, savor each bite and think about the incredible journey it took to get to you. Thank you for joining us on this journey from bean to bar. We hope you enjoyed learning about the process as much as we enjoyed sharing it with you. Until next time, keep enjoying your Snickers bars and appreciating the amazing journey behind every bite. Section 8. Stay hungry for more. Thanks for joining me on this delicious adventure. Keep an eye out for more exciting behind-the-scenes stories about your favorite foods. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring the wonderful world of food.